So one technique I've been using lately to help reduce my back pain and decompress my lower spine is yoga ball breathing. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Get a squishy ball, stability ball, something like this. You're gonna place it kind of right on your stomach or your diaphragm. Right off the bat, this kind of helps eliminate that little lower back curve, that anterior pelvic tilt, kind of forcing us more into like a posterior tilt. And rest on your forearms. And the key here is to try to breathe into your back. So this is going to help with intra-abdominal pressure, which helps with pressure management, but specifically decompressing those discs, especially in the lumbar. Also is going to help kind of open up the back of the rib cage. So if you got like kind of tight muscles or knots up in your mid-back area, this works awesome for that. So I want you to focus on really slow breaths in through the nose, about 4 to 5 seconds. And when you do that, you should feel your belly kind of push into the ball. So it's nice we kind of have some biofeedback here from the ball. So inhale, you're pushing your belly down. You're feeling that expansion even into the sides of the ribs as well as the back. And now here's where it's key. As you exhale, you're going to exhale through your mouth like an open mouth sigh, like, and do that really long, at least 5 to 6 seconds. You want to go a little bit longer. At the end of that exhale, you should feel your deep abdominals kind of tense up. And now here's where I want you to try to hold that, that contraction of the deep core, and then try to breathe in again while keeping the front somewhat tight. This is going to help that expansion into the back as well as the back side of the rib cage. So I'll do a couple breaths to demo. So I'm inhaling slowly through my nose, feeling my belly push into the ball, my ribs expand. And as I exhale, I'm exhaling through the mouth. I'm thinking of using my core to help push the air out. The end of that exhale, we're going to hold that tension and then inhale again. It may help you to kind of round or drop your head if you have more tension in your upper back. Kind of tuck your tailbone. And just keep going. I recommend 3 to 5 minutes. Feel that expansion. When you come up, you should feel like you have a lot more mobility in your spine and a little bit less tension through that lower back. Give it a shot.